It's time to restock the pantry. Let me share with you my #1 pantry hack for condiments. So every 3 or 4 months, I like to go through my pantry and take a look at what condiments need to be replaced, and today is that day. I'm going to be heading into town. I'm getting my list together. I'm going to bring you in my pantry. It doesn't happen very often. I'm going to show you what I do to keep track of my condiments. So come on into my pantry. Now I know all of you have seen different hacks for the shoe storage compartments. One day I was going to the grocery store and I thought, oh, I need mayonnaise. And so I bought 2 jars of mayonnaise, and I came home and I started reorganizing my pantry, and I had like 6 jars of mayonnaise, and I didn't need that mayonnaise. But you know, some things get lost in the shuffle, and I think condiments are a big part of that. They get lost in the shuffle a lot. So I started using these. I like using the shoe storage compartments for my condiments. It's easy for me to look at and see exactly what I need. So since I'm getting ready to go to the store and I'm getting my list together, I can already see I don't need any mayonnaise. That's partly, in fact, because A, I'm stocked up, and B, I love to make our own mayonnaise now. I'll be putting a video out soon showing you how we make mayonnaise with our turkey eggs. But I can see here that I can benefit from picking up a couple things of barbecue sauce. I can pick up a couple things of ketchup and maybe 1 mustard, because summer's coming up. That means salads are going to be made. So I'm going to need some extra things for salads and barbecues, everything here. This will fill up. I fill it up according to top to bottom. I take from the top, and then when I fill it up, I'll move some from the bottom up to the top, kind of a first in, first out deal. So here for this one here, and I have more than one, this one I have the mayonnaise, the ketchup, the mustard, and the barbecue sauce. You may ask where pickles are. Behind here, I have Gorilla racks. You can see a little bit of one Gorilla rack there. I have about 75 jars of pickles and relish. So if you didn't see that video of my pickle parody, when I was completely inundated with pickling cucumbers one year, make sure you watch that. I'll put the link in the description box below. Let's take a look at my other container here and see what condiments I have there. Okay, here's my second container, and this one has, again, for those summer salads, I have lots of salad dressings available here. I have my powdered Parmesan cheese. It's not my favorite, but I know that I need to pick up a couple because the kids like it on their spaghetti. Also, sugar-free syrup. I am down 2 there. And you can't see here in the frame, but at the very bottom is where I like to keep our taco sauce. Hubby loves taco sauce. I know I can make my own, but he loves the taco sauce. It's empty. I need to fill that up, so I'm going to add those to my list. You see behind me, I use another one for cleaning supplies. They're really a great thing to have on hand, and it gives you just that extra element of storage availability. You can see very quickly what you have and what you need. So comment below, what do you like to use your shoe storage racks for? I'd love to hear. Well, that's my pantry hack for today. Until I see you again here on the farm, make sure you take care of yourself, take care of each other, and have a blessed day.